Hey Dolly, what you doing? Hello Dolly. Would you like to Hello good people, yes? Mwah. And what are we learning? Like and subscribe, good people. Yeah. Yes, Dolly. Like and subscribe. Yes, because you are a very pretty girl. Uh, yeah, that's right. The good people do love to look at you and say, hello, Dolly, you pretty girl. Ha ha ha. Ah, yes, who is a pretty girl? Whoa, whoa. Oh, that's so sweet. Remember, we're trying to learn like and subscribe. Good people. That's the new one we're trying out. Hey, Dolly. Oops, a bit of a scratch. Fair enough. Scratch time, Dolly. Would you like to say goodbye now? Gecko. Gecko. you. I thought you were going to be a gecko. Gecko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Kiss, kiss, mwah. Kiss, kiss, mwah. Kisses? Yeah, kisses for Dolly. Mwah. Kisses for Dolly. Mwah. Kiss. Dolly. Mwah. Oh. Dolly's needed a little tummy scratch. Fair enough. Tummy tie, scratch time. All right, Dolly. Time to say goodbye. Good people. And maybe they can. Dolly, what have we been practicing, Dolly? Oh, mind you, you're busy, aren't you? Sorry. We've been practicing like and subscribe, good people, to have more Dolly chat time. Okay. Would you like to say goodbye, Dolly? Or are you busy? You're still busy. Fair enough. I mean, yeah. Yeah. Yes, sorry, Dolly. I didn't mean to interrupt there. You were having a little bit of a, oh, a big stretch, or nothing like it. You're preening yourself. Oh, oh, sorry. I should have given you a little bit of privacy. Hey, sorry, Dolly. Would you like to say good night, Dolly, to the good people? Good night, Dolly. Dolly. Good night. Hey, sweetie. Good night. Good night, Dolly. Good night. Good night, Dolly. She's like, stuff you, I'm busy cleaning myself. Fair enough. Oh, she's going to do her contortion stuff. A very clever girl. All right, guys, I'll go now, and love to all. Take care. Be safe.